What's good, y'all? It's Fresco VK, and not only are we open in New York, but we're open in Chicago. So if you're in the Gold Coast area, pull up to 60 East Walton Street in Chicago. If you're in Manhattan, New York City, pull up to 47 Howard Street. But another 2020 release that we've all been waiting for from the Jordan brand family, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. I've been waiting for these. I'm sure y'all been waiting, but say less of all this talking, yo. Let's get straight to these shoes. And in the words of most New Yorkers, I'm not gonna hold you. I like to consider myself a Mocha individual, and the history of Jordan and Mocha go back much further than most of us can remember. So back in 2001, we saw the first release of the Air Jordan 3 Mocha. So during that time, Jordan brand wanted to produce a shoe that still catered to the athlete, but had a little bit more drip off the court. I think they were ahead of their time with this one. But we fast forward to 2018 and you see the retro release of the Air Jordan 3 Mocha. And since that release, it's grown on the market rapidly. But enough about the Mocha 3s, let's get to these ones. So here we have the box top, standard Jordan box top, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because like I said before, I have been personally waiting on these. And here we have the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. Earth tone colorways are growing more and more popular. We've seen it across several brands and categories. And ironically enough, it's still connected to Chicago. So we've got Yeezy, of course, several categories that uses consistent earth tones. And of course, with the Jordan brand and their connection to Travis Scott. So if you think of the Travis Scott line and series, think of the Cactus Jack 4, that is a sky blue. Think of the Jordan 6, represents the grass. Think of the Jordan 1s, high and low, that represents the soil. You got the air in the sky, you got the grass and the soil, and it's all earth tones. So the Air Jordan 1 Mocha is clearly a mashup between the Mocha 3 and the black toe 1. So you see the black toe overlay right there in that toe box area. We have the sail hit right there, the perforation. Of course, these black laces. We have the blackened sail tongue. We have the sail right there in that middle panel. Of course, the black swoosh and the wings logo. We have the Mocha, which pretty much runs throughout the back panel of the shoe. We have the sail, midsole, outsole. Comes with an additional set of laces, the sail laces, but the black ones are actually on the shoe. And as we get to the outsole, we have the full black on black outsole. I thank everyone for watching, liking, and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram TV. But you guys should already know, if you have been paying attention, that the Jordan 1 is one of the most universally utilized shoes of all time. In regards to silhouette, it can be worn with anything. You can wear these to the store, to a wedding, getting on your bike, getting on your skateboard, walking to the train, but they don't miss with the Mocha Air Jordan 1. So jump in the comments and let me know what you think of the Mochas and what's your favorite release of 2020. I think I gotta think about that one, but I'm definitely messing with these, and we have these along with multiple other Jordan 1 styles at Stadium Goods. Make sure you go to stadiumgoods.com, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and last but not least, get that room in your phone and download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. We update the app daily with kicks, apparel, and accessories, all from Stadium Goods, and some more of this fly merch. You know what? You'll see this in a minute. But I am Fresco VK. This is Stadium Goods. Yeah. Salud.